Welcome to Thermal-Tec's MR Multiply Roofing System. The MR Multiply Roofing System is a unique blend of conventional roofing products, which includes asphalt, the most effective waterproofing product ever developed, a polyester membrane that maintains its flexibility indefinitely over the length of the warranty, and the system is finished with a roofing granule or Energy Star approved reflective finish. From the use of conventional products to the use of newer high-tech products like geotextiles, the MR Multiply Roofing System is the most advanced roofing system available for pre-engineered steel buildings. The MR Multiply System is not a coating. It is specifically designed and labeled as a fluid-applied roofing system. It has the highest hail impact resistance and also maintains its waterproofing over the life cycle of the system. There is no better value in the industry today. It's 100% tax deductible, affordable, and comes with an outstanding warranty program. Call Thermal-Tec today for a roof inspection and analysis, and let the experts solve your roofing problems.